Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to type on a circle so you can create something similar to this. First thing you want to do is actually create your circle, so go to your ellipse tool and then drag out a circle. We're going to use this circle as the path the type is going to be on. If you hold down shift, it will constrain the proportions. I'm going to hold down shift and control. If you hold down control, it scales from the center, which is cool. I'm going to go up here to my alignment tools and center this in my artboard. And then I'm going to go over to my text tool. Make sure you're on artistic text tool and not your frame text tool. It won't work the same way. What you're going to do is hover over the line and then click. A lot of times it's going to put the text on the inside. I'm going to show you what I mean here. Alright, so if this happens, you don't panic. It is very easy to get it on the outside. There is a reverse text path button up here in your toolbar. All you have to do is click it. And it's obviously not supposed to be on the bottom, but we're going to move it here in a second. This red triangle here is the end point of your text path. This green triangle is the starting point, and you can click and drag these. If you hold down shift while you're dragging one of them, it will move both of them at the same time and it will keep the space. If you do not hold shift and you hold control instead, it will move both, but it will not keep the spacing. And if you hold alt and drag while having control or shift selected, it will ignore the snapping. So if you need something that's not at like one of the 45 degrees, then hold down alt. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and move these around. You can triple click into your text so that it will highlight all of it. If you double click, it's going to highlight one word. Now I'm going to go up here and I'm going to use my paragraph alignment tools and I'm going to align it to the center. So it's going to be in the center of these 2 points. So if you have the points directly at the snapping points, it'll be centered in the circle. If you don't want to use this bar, you can also use your paragraph and character panels to edit your text. Okay, now I'm going to type some more so that the text actually overflows. So we're going to put published in 2020. Nope, not 2022. When you have overflow text, it will flip underneath of your original text, but you will get 2 different triangles. They'll be a different shade of the same color. And like I said before, the red one is your endpoint and the green one is your starting point. Problem here is they're kind of overlapping with the other ones. So we're gonna put this over here. There we go, it snapped. We're gonna try to fix the endpoint of the original. One of my favorite things here is if you want these to be the same distance away from the center of the circle, I have a good trick. I'm gonna go up here to the original and I am going to triple click. And then we're gonna change the baseline and I'm gonna put it on about 40. So you know it's going to be equally spaced from the center because it's going through this line instead of the bottom or the top. And that is how I got it to look like this. And that's really all you need to know to be able to type on a circle. As always, thank you so much for watching and I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye!